So here's the back side of the lace, and I just took out the back cover. So that's where they're attached, and it also have stop right here. It's kind of dark. Also stop right here. So this is the center line of this point of the carriage. So it goes there and here. Here's the back end of the lathe. So that's a mark. I'm gonna cut this off somewhere right here. Just cut it off. And this thing, I roughly bolt them together for now. I need to drill 2 holes for that thing. For this carriage stop, I guess, to bolt it in like that. Then down there will be adjustable for the sensor. I'll see how it's gonna fit once I get this 2 hole drilled. So here's what the finished product looks like. So it bolt on like this to the carriage stop, or the compound stop. So this 2 bolt together, and all the 3 will be zip tied together, and possibly undo the screw and zip tie it here first. So zip tie together and zip tie to the power for the lamp.